It doesn't matter if you're B2B or it doesn't matter if you're B2C, everybody is online. We see a huge movement now in B2B e-commerce. These companies are used to working in a specific manner, running their salesforce through phone calls and quoting systems, and that's all changing now. So what is the first step or the few first steps if you are an industrial B2B business and you're trying to go e-commerce?
The first step is find the right platform for your business. Again, a lot of these industrial manufacturing sites have hundreds of thousands of product SKUs. You cannot just get on your average e-commerce platform. You're gonna need an enterprise level platform. A platform that can actually handle the amount of not only product SKUs, but volume that you're probably moving as well.